Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month of recipes, we will be continuing our drink recipe marathon. But for this month's theme, we will be doing our third round of Juiceless July, where we'll be focusing on 4 more different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be making some Mint Matcha Lattes. For this recipe, you will need 1 to 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. I recommend using ceremonial grade for the best color, but universal or culinary grade should work fine as well. You will also need a 1/4 cup of hot water, 1 cup of cold milk. Any type of milk should work, so use your favorite. 2 to 3 fresh mint leaves, and some for garnish. 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, honey, maple syrup, or agave syrup for optional sweetness. And some ice cubes. This will make about 1 serving, so adjust as needed. First we'll prepare the hot water for the matcha. Settle in a water heater or using your favorite method. Warm up your water to about 175 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or 80 to 82 degrees Celsius. Then, while we wait for the water, sift your matcha into a bowl. And then once your water is hot, whisk it into your matcha for about 30 seconds until it's smooth and frothy. Then if you wish to add some sweetness, I recommend mixing in your sweetener of choice now, since the heat will allow it to dissolve easier. Next, grab your serving glass and then give your mint a solid smack to release the oils, and add it into your serving glass along with your ice cubes and milk, giving it a stir to mix the flavors. Your matcha should be a little less dense than the milk since we frothed it, so you can achieve a layered effect by slowly pouring the mixed matcha over the milk and ice. But if it doesn't layer properly, it's fine since we'll be mixing it together when we drink it anyway. Then once your drink is to your liking, garnish your drink with some more mint if desired, and with that, your Mint Matcha Latte is ready to drink. For this round of juice-free drinks, I knew I wanted to make another matcha drink recipe for this month. I really like the grassy, naturally sweet flavor of matcha, and I think it pairs well with so many different flavors, such as lime, lavender, and roses. So I thought for this episode I would share another favorite matcha flavor pairing of mine. The mint adds a nice cooling sensation, amplifying the cold, refreshingness of the drink. The mint flavor itself is quite subtle, but it definitely adds to the overall naturally sweet, grassy flavors of the matcha. Though if you wish to add some more mintiness, you can of course use some more mint leaves, or you can substitute the mint with a 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. But regardless of if you wish to emphasize the minty freshness of the drink with the extract, or keep it subtle with the fresh mint, this simple to make drink will be a quick, refreshing way to cool off on a hot summer day. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. And then once your water is hot, whisk it. No.